So, why is user experience becoming more and more critical to businesses? Oftentimes, when we talk about user experience, it's the experience that they have in doing their job, and whether if it's assuming it's a desk job and they're working within an application and making that experience as simple but also repeatable for them as possible. And the repeatable part is the important part from how they service their end users, their customers, because you want to make sure that there's a consistent, repeatable method that they're doing their job, because you can define that, right? You as a business leader can define how you want them to work. And in order to give a consistent experience to your customer base and to make sure that they're getting the highest level of service that they can, you want to make sure that the your employees um, are enjoying their job, that they're um, able to do their job without having to do all kinds of gyrations around systems and so forth, and being able to work into that. Now, when we talk about user experience, it usually goes hand in hand with integrations within our platform. So if you're looking at how they do their job within whatever systems they're in, um, you know the industry as a whole seems to be driving towards a single pane of glass for the end user to be able um, to work in a very simple, user friendly interface, right? Without having to do a bunch of page changes and or tabs or whatever the case may be. Um, you to give them the information they need easily, quickly, consistently, uh, and then being able to uh, make it all work together. And that's where the integration side with us comes, where the applications that they're working with just natively work with us, and being able to um, as an example, if a call comes in and they get some sort of a pop-up on their screen that tells them who the caller is, maybe pulls up a record of the last time they called and why they called, and um, if it gives you those kinds of insights, um, they're able to now service the people that are calling them that much faster, that much better. And then again, if you extend that a little bit further and say, okay, well, what do they need to do once they're in that interface? Okay, they now know who's calling and probably why. All right, now let's figure out how we simplify and streamline their interface to make sure that they're really giving the best class of service that they can.